In the adrenaline-pumping world of Jurassic Park, attention to detail slipped with the infamous shotgun scene. Amidst a tense dinosaur encounter, a character points a shotgun at the approaching menace, preparing for a dramatic showdown. Suddenly, the shotgun fires without the character pulling the trigger, a bewildering continuity mishap that eagle-eyed viewers can't miss. This unintentional gunfire starkly contrasts the precision expected in such high-stakes moments. Even in Spielberg's epic cinematic storytelling meets challenges, offering fans chuckles in the midst of heart-pounding scenes.